Removing soap scum, mold, and mildew stains in your shower is back-breaking work. And to get your kitchen clean, you have to use a mountain of cleaners just to get the job done right. Not anymore. Introducing Diamond Magic. The only cleaner powerful enough to remove the toughest stains anywhere in your home using the power of real diamonds. Unlike basic cleansers that can leave streaks and residue over time, Diamond Magic gives you clean, streak-free results every time. Use Diamond Magic to easily remove hard water stains, scuff marks, rust, grease, any stain, anywhere. The magic is Diamond Magic's proprietary formula that combines diamonds, nature's strongest mineral, with scientifically bonded stain fighters to create a stain-lifting formula that you can use to clean everything from windows to auto glass, porcelain, aluminum, brass, copper pots and pans, backyard barbecue grills, glass, stovetops, tile and grout, even boats and marine applications. Get your shower to shine in half the time. Polish your windows and doors without making your elbow sore. Make your glass stovetop gleam like new. Diamond Magic is the only product in the industry to contain actual diamonds in a revolutionary formula that is quick, easy, and safe to use, and is revolutionizing the cleaning industry. With Diamond Magic, you don't have to switch from one cleaner to the next to get the shine you need. The diamond dust particles clean and polish glass, smooth metals, porcelain fixtures, providing the perfect shine every time.
It used to take several hours and several cleaning products to clean my kitchen and glass stovetop. But with Diamond Magic, it's one and done.